and welcome to Class 4 Mathematics. Chapter Halves and Quarters. Subtopic Introduction to Half and Quarters. Teaching Learning Outcome. At the end of the session, the child will be able to recognize that things can be equally divided, understand a fraction as division, and identify a half or 1/2 and a quarter or 1/4 of a thing or a shape. Understand that 2 halves make a whole and 4 quarters make a whole. The child will also be able to find and write down the fraction 1/2 and 1/4 of a shaded portion of a figure. Hi children, today we will begin the session with a story. This is Raju. He's a very good smart boy. One day he was about to have his chapati. At that time, his sister Rani came to him. She told him that she was hungry. Raju decided to share his chapati. But there was only one chapati. Rani asked her brother how they will share the chapati. Raju replied that this was easy and that he would cut this chapati into 2 equal parts. Equal parts? What does that mean? Was Rani's next question. Rani, this chapati is a whole. It's not a part of any other chapati, explained Raju. Raju continued. We can cut this chapati into 2 in different ways. See these pieces? If you get this piece and I take the other piece, do we get the same amount of chapati? Rani immediately said, No, you will get more chapati than me. Raju laughed. You are right. So we can say that these pieces are unequal. Raju continued. Don't worry, we both will get same amount of chapati. For that, we had to cut the chapati into 2 equal halves. This is one half and this is another half. Now, how many pieces are there, you tell me? Rani readily replied, 2. Yes, out of 2 pieces, you will get 1 piece. So, we can write it like this, 1/2. In the same way, I will also get 1/2 part of the chapati. Therefore, you are getting 1/2 of the whole and I am getting the other half of the whole, Raju said. You know, these 2 pieces are unequal. Since these 2 pieces are unequal, we cannot say that this is 1/2 or half of the chapati. Raju further explained. Rani recalled in her mind. So, one chapati is a whole. If we divide the chapati into two equal parts, then each piece will be 1/2 or half of the chapati. Wait, when I keep the two halves together, I get the whole chapati. So is 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1? Asked Rani. Raju said, yes, you are right. 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. Rani washed her hands and sat down to eat with Raju. They were about to have their food when they heard a knock on the door. Rani opened the door and felt happy to see her friends, Ganesh and Ankita. Raju offered to give Ganesh and Ankita a share of chapati. Rani asked, is it possible to divide the chapati equally among the four of us? Ganesh said, yes, I am also confused. This is one chapati and there are four of us. Raju said, yes, it is possible to divide a chapati among four people equally. Ankita asked, so each of us should get a half of a chapati, right? Raju replied, yes, Ankita, you are correct. Each of us would get a half of a chapati. Raju continued, a half of half is a quarter. Rani said, now there are four parts and each one of us should get one part. So 1/4 would be a quarter. Right, Bhaiya? Yes, Rani. A quarter is 1/4. Raju replied. One chapati can be divided into two equal parts. Each part is a half or 1/2 of the whole chapati. The halves can be further divided into two. Each of these four parts can be called a quarter. It is written as 1/4. Now we understand that 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/2. We also understand that 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1. Not only a chapati, we can divide different shapes equally into two. For example, rectangle, square, triangle, and many more. Note the spelling of halves. H-A-L-B-E-S. Plural of half is halves. One-fourth of a circle can be represented like this. One-fourth or quarter of a circle, a square, and a rectangle can be represented like this. Evaluation questions. Observe the figure and identify the fraction represented by the shaded part. Now imagine if Ganesh had already eaten his food and did not want his share, then how would Raju have divided the chapati? Hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you.